The 1960s were a time of incredible excitement and fierce competition. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a race to explore space. This space race captured the imagination of the world, but it came at a steep price. Launching rockets into orbit was incredibly expensive. Each launch required massive rockets, and these rockets were used only once. Then, they were discarded. Scientists and engineers knew there had to be a better way. Finding a way to reduce the cost of space travel became a top priority. This led to innovative ideas and daring designs. One such idea came from the drawing boards of Douglas Aircraft Company. Their concept was known as SASSTO. This was a revolutionary single-stage-to-orbit spacecraft. SASSTO promised to change the way we thought about space travel. It aimed to make space more accessible and affordable for everyone. The ambition behind SASSTO was clear: achieve orbit with a single stage. This was a radical departure from the traditional multi-stage rockets of the time. Think about a multi-stage rocket like a staircase. Each stage is a step that gets you closer to your destination, space, but each step also costs money and resources to build and launch. SASSTO aimed to bypass this complexity. It was designed to reach orbit in one go. Imagine a single, powerful leap that takes you directly to your destination. This single-stage approach promised significant cost savings. It eliminated the need for complex staging mechanisms and multiple engines. The goal was to make space travel more like air travel, with reusable spacecraft capable of frequent and affordable flights. At the heart of SASSTO's design philosophy was minimalism. The team at Douglas, led by the visionary engineer Philip Bono, believed that simplicity was key to achieving cost-effectiveness. Every component, every system, was carefully evaluated for its necessity and efficiency. This minimalist approach was evident in the choice of materials, the design of the propulsion system, and even the size of the crew capsule. The team relentlessly sought ways to reduce weight and complexity without sacrificing performance or safety. This focus on simplicity was not just about cutting costs, it was about creating a spacecraft that was elegant, efficient, and ultimately more reliable. While SASSTO was designed to be a marvel of minimalism, it drew inspiration from an existing giant of space exploration, the S-4B upper stage of the Saturn rocket family. The S-4B was a proven piece of hardware, instrumental in propelling the Apollo missions towards the moon. The SASSTO team recognized the robust design and capabilities of the SRB. They cleverly adapted its basic structure to fit the SASSTO concept. This approach saved time and resources. It also leveraged the experience and reliability of a well-tested design. By incorporating elements of the S4B, SASSTO took a step closer to reality. It demonstrated the ingenuity of using existing technologies in new and innovative ways. One of the most distinctive features of SASSTO was its plug nozzle. This innovative propulsion system was central to achieving the single-stage-to-orbit capability. Unlike traditional bell-shaped nozzles, the plug nozzle featured a central spike that extended into the exhaust plume. This design created a more efficient expansion of the exhaust gases, increasing thrust and fuel efficiency. The plug nozzle was a key enabler for SASSTO's ambitious goals. It represented a significant advancement in propulsion technology. It held the potential to revolutionize space travel. Although SASSTO never made it past the drawing board, its legacy lives on. The concepts and technologies explored in its design continue to influence modern spaceflight. The dream of a single-stage-to-orbit vehicle persists. We see its echoes in contemporary spacecraft like SpaceX's Starship. Starship, with its reusable design and ambitious goals, shares a similar spirit of innovation and ambition with SASSTO. While the technical challenges of single-stage-to-orbit remain formidable, the pursuit of this goal has pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering. It has led to the development of new materials, propulsion systems, and design philosophies that continue to shape the future of space exploration. Despite its innovative design and promising potential, SASSTO ultimately faced insurmountable challenges. The technology of the time simply wasn't advanced enough to overcome the limitations of achieving orbit with a single stage. The weight of the fuel required, the efficiency of the engines, and the materials available all posed significant hurdles. Moreover, the political landscape of the late 1960s, with the winding down of the Apollo program and shifting priorities in space exploration, meant that funding for ambitious projects like SASSTO became increasingly scarce. In the end, SASSTO became a testament to the challenges and complexities of pushing the boundaries of space travel. Had SASSTO become a reality, it had the potential to revolutionize space travel. The ability to launch payloads into orbit with a reusable single-stage vehicle would have dramatically reduced the cost of accessing space. This could have opened up a new era of space exploration, research, and commercialization. Imagine a world where space travel was as commonplace as air travel, with frequent and affordable flights enabling us to establish a permanent human presence in orbit, construct large-scale space stations, and mine resources from asteroids. SASSTO, despite its unrealized potential, offered a tantalizing glimpse into this future. Although SASSTO never flew, it remains a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the unyielding desire to explore the cosmos. It represents a bold vision of a future where space travel is accessible, affordable, and routine. While the technical challenges proved insurmountable at the time, the spirit of innovation embodied by SASSTO continues to inspire engineers and scientists today. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, with commercial companies and international collaborations driving innovation at an unprecedented pace, the lessons learned from projects like SASSTO serve as valuable reminders of the importance of bold thinking, creative problem-solving, and the unwavering pursuit of our dreams to reach for the stars.